everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I'm gonna prepare with you burger buns, but today I'm gonna prepare whole wheat burger buns. I will show you this recipe, this simple recipe, and how to prepare a delicious, a soft, a spongy burger buns. Let's start. We will prepare this perfect recipe. So I will need, first of all, here just 100 milliliter of water. I will just take large water here, and I will take dry yeast. Here I will need a teaspoon of dry yeast, just like that. Mix it and keep it here. So I will take 1 egg, just a little bit of white vinegar, then half teaspoon of salt. I have here pure honey, so I will take 1 teaspoon. You can add half, 1.5 teaspoon. Perfect. Take a spoon and give it a little bit stir like that. Then I will add this mix of dry yeast and water. Perfect. Still have here a little bit yeast. I will just add some water. Okay. Perfect. Here I have my whole wheat flour. This is my 300 gram whole wheat flour. Just mix it like that with a spoon first of all. Then I will pass to second step, to use my hands. So try to mix it until it becomes a dough. Add in water if you need. It depends on the kind of flour. We'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and we have spongy buns. Mix it like that and it becomes a dough, and now it's ready. It took about 8 minutes. I will spread my hand on a clean place. Now I'm gonna cover it like that, and I will let it for 2 hours. See you later. See, here I have double size. My dough is ready after 2 hours. So just like that. Just I will touch my hands a little bit olive oil. Like that. Then I will this dough. Now you see, perfect. Now I will cut it to pieces, and I see. Here I have my pieces, 2, 4, 6 pieces. So I will have today 6 burger buns. So I will show you how to do. Just like that, and then 1, 2, 3, and then we'll try to make bowl. Then I will take here 3, I will put it here. Perfect. And now I will cover them, and I will keep them for 30 minutes, for a half hour. Then see you. 30 minutes. Here is the result. So our pans. Just I will take a little bit water. I have here chia seeds. I will the other one. I will add some sunflower seeds. So before, preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius, and I will put them in the oven for about 15 till 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, here is the result. Beautiful burger buns, as I said before. Whole wheat burger buns. You will like. My whole wheat burger buns. You will really like them. It's easy recipe. I hope you will try it at home, and I'm waiting for your feedback. See you next time. Another video, another recipe. Bye bye.